Hey, what's up? I'm back with episode 3 of Chainsaw Man. So, last episode we met Aki and Power. Genji went on like a mission with both of them. So, Power is his partner now, and she smashed a demon with her giant hammer thingy. Yeah, let's see what kind of shenanigans they get up to. It's so purple. Hmm. We'd be arrested for real. I mean, obstruction of. Get her under control. Yeah, sure. The Blood Devil. Arrest her. Yeah, I got the same teeth. This is an angle. She's just watching this like... Yes, ma'am. Dang. Okay. Sure. Why are your eyes like that, though? Stop looking. She... Just buy her a drink. Or share yours. It's a meow meow. Hello, meow meow. I do remember something cat from the manga, so... I guess. It said it was water, though. She looks so peaceful and happy. Honestly, same. Well then... Not Nyanko. Nyako? No, he would. Maybe not a cat, but a dog. Okay, well. Yeah. I'm in. Yeah, get better. I'm gonna go save your cat! Oh, priorities, yes. What is Aki's ship? Because I don't actually know. Maybe I shouldn't. Don't tell me, actually. Whatever the ship is, I'll just be jealous. Oh yeah, I watched the music video. I should have reacted to it, actually. On my other channel, but I didn't. I just watched it. It was so interesting. I'd get lost in that building, honestly. Do you have to do paperwork? I mean, she's a fiend. I don't know if that's a good idea for her to just go anywhere by herself. Sure you can. Just pet yourself. So just pet yourself. Well... No, he lives inside of me. No, like he literally lives in me. Sure, whatever you say. Chest, I mean... But you do wanna... What? That sounds accurate. Only enemies. Why your voice like that? Promising and interesting. Why is your voice like that? Oh my god, just a little puppy. You look scary. Was she gonna answer them? Like, of course. Aki just has like this... It can be. Well, it might like, well, hot coffee, and then you. Yeah, I don't know. And chainsaws are freaking creepy as. Just, I don't know. Think of like Texas Chainsaw Massacre or something. Yeah. Okay, whatever you say. How long are we gonna walk? I mean, that was a kind of a long. Are we just gonna watch them walk and talk the whole time? Okay. That's a nice house. Yeah. Whoop! Choo! Ow! Okay. It's a twap. Is he heavy? It's a horror. Is it technically a horror? But he's like not fully human though. Have fun. I can't even see it. Oh. Okay. Why didn't they just finish you off? Is it human blood? Ooh. What'd that taste like? Yeah. Well, you've been revived though. Go get some other human, I guess. I was gonna say, go get you some like tea or something, you know. Do you wanna be his friend? Do you wanna be her friend? Isn't there a cat somewhere though? Oh. I thought that was the end of it. I was like so cats are ghosts. Who taking drugs? Leave the children alone. See, that really is a cat. Is it alive? I guess. Is the cat a demon? Huh? He swallowed it whole, though. Oh. You smell tasty. Tasty? Look at how small. You gotta feed it. Ah. You really want to eat a cat? Cats are lactose intolerant. What are you doing? Okay. Did you? I would be ate the cow. And then he just took your cat. Just. Wait, how long ago was this? Was he feeding the cat? Truly. The frick? He's just swallowing things whole, so I mean, they're fine. Denji. Okay. Did I see Denji there? What? Yeah, he is. Okay. Yeah. He's been saying chess this whole time, hasn't he? Oh. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Yeah, basically. So how are we doing this air combat? Girl, you... Good thing you got out there when you did. Huh. I don't want to eat her. Who is paying for all this? Oh no, run. Oh no. You're super strong. About some dude. Explode in his face. Is the guy okay? He jumped out. Ew, what the frick? Who is gonna pay for this? It reeks of cigarettes. Because I'm Chainsaw Man, bruh. I wanna cop a feel and stuff. Because priorities. Guy, just run. Just get out of there. Take that head. I'm assuming they're just in the tummy, right? Hopefully not getting, like, digested. This looks so cool, though. No! Oh. 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 I'm scared. I'm trying to remember the list of like the list of like who's gonna be doing endings. I can't remember. This is very interesting though. This is random. Is it right there? Because I cannot see. I can't read that. I have no idea who this is. That was interesting. I think TK's doing one. I think. I don't remember. There was like a list. I don't remember. I should like look at it, or maybe just be surprised again because I don't remember. But okay, so that was episode 3 of Chainsaw Man. Oh yeah, so Power ended up being not trustworthy and led Denji into a trap. But it's for her kitty, okay? It's for a good cause. I would have done the same thing. Okay? Oh, my kitty, yeah. Like, screw you, you're not important, but my cat? So, yeah. I can't even blame her. I can't even blame her. Really good episode. I'm really liking the series. I think this is around where I ended. Maybe like the start or like the middle part of like the next episode will be like around where I ended in like reading the manga, so I won't really know anything else. So it's gonna be all fresh to me, which is very exciting. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me and Dare. Check out the stuff that's up there. It's always in links in the description down below. If you're on YouTube, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It'll help me out a lot. Thanks. I'll see you there sometime soon. Bye-bye.